Are you tired of the same old boring meals that leave you feeling sluggish and unenergetic? Well, get ready to level up your well-being with these 5 quick and easy healthy crockpot recipes. Gone are the days of spending hours in the kitchen, slaving over a hot stove. With these recipes, all you need to do is throw a few ingredients into your crockpot, set it, and forget it. Not only will you save time and effort, but you'll also be nourishing your body with wholesome and nutritious meals. First up on the menu is a hearty vegetable soup. Packed with colorful veggies like carrots, celery, and zucchini, this soup is not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. Simply chop up your favorite vegetables, toss them into the crockpot along with some vegetable broth and seasonings, and let it cook on low for a few hours. The result? A steaming bowl of goodness that will warm your soul and keep you feeling satisfied. Next on the list is a mouth-watering chicken curry. This recipe takes all the flavors of a classic Indian curry and turns it into a simple crockpot dish. Just throw in some chicken pieces, coconut milk, curry powder, and a few other spices, and let it simmer away for a few hours. The result? Tender, flavorful chicken that pairs perfectly with some steamed rice or naan bread. It's the perfect meal to spice up your weeknight dinners. If you're looking for something a little lighter, try making a batch of slow-cooked chili. This recipe is loaded with protein-packed beans and lean ground turkey or beef. Simply brown the meat, then add it to the crockpot along with beans, diced tomatoes, onions, and spices. Let it cook on low for a few hours, and you'll have a hearty and nutritious chili that will keep you full and satisfied. For those of you who love seafood, try making a delicious shrimp scampi in your crockpot. This recipe takes all the flavors of a classic scampi dish and makes it even easier to prepare. Just toss in some peeled shrimp, garlic, lemon juice, butter, and spices. And let it cook on low for a couple of hours. The result? Succulent shrimp that are bursting with flavor. Serve it over some pasta, or with crusty bread for a complete meal. Last but not least, we have a comforting bowl of slow-cooked oatmeal. This recipe is perfect for those busy mornings when you need something warm and filling to start your day. Simply combine oats, milk, or almond milk, water, sweetener of your choice, and any additional toppings like nuts or berries in your crockpot. Let it cook on low overnight, and wake up to a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will keep you energized throughout the day. So there you have it, 5 quick and easy healthy crockpot recipes that will level up your well-being. With these recipes in your arsenal, you can say goodbye to boring meals and hello to delicious and nutritious dishes that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. So dust off that crockpot and get cooking. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. If you want more recipes and tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.